Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and hop over. We got 10. We might go over just a little bit, Joe. I got things I need to go over here. One thing that I missed, I wanted to show you was the we did to locate the quick start guide. I want to talk about the product help versus the web help. Okay, so let's go. If you want to get help on any dialogue, just obviously just pick the help command and it will load the online help. Okay, and at the beginning of the online help, you do have an option here if you want to actually open a PDF document of this help. We got all kinds of actual PDF guides that you can print out, an actual manual if you prefer to learn that way. We do have what we call a web help that will be available for 2024. It's actually rolling that out actually right now, so it'll be in about a week. It'll be ready. But I'm going to show you what it looks like now. If we go, let's go back to go back to here. Okay, so I have this, what you see right here, and a little bit easier if we make it a little bit smaller. This is a web browser, okay? This is your default web browser, and this is the same online help as you see over here. Okay, let's move that over there. Okay, and let's, wrong one. Okay. So as you see, it's the same. This is VisualCADCAM, but this is RhinoCAM. The good thing about this is all of the online help for all the modules are in one help system. Okay, so that's for the mill module. Everything in this tab right here, this book, is everything that's in this online help over here. And you can also look at the turn module. All the modules are available from this. And you know, we may send, and during tech support, we may send you a link that goes directly to a topic in this online web help system. So you can, and also there will be another button here, another link under the printed documentation. It actually takes you to the web help. But as I mentioned, it'll be in a future update. But that is the web version of the online help. I wanted to show you that.